Hi, and welcome back to How Ines Rolls. I've been having a great Saturday. We've been doing lots of things I'll show you in a little bit, but I need to get started on some dinner, and I just wanted to show you what we're eating for dinner today. We're gonna be making some taco salads. Let's get started. So I need to get started on my meat, but I want to show you what we were doing today. We had a garage sale. Oh, it made me so tired, so I'll show you here. I am starting my Saturday as a yard sailor. We are just trying to get rid of so much stuff in our garage. Before I start cooking in the kitchen, I need to do this. So we've gotten up too early for a Saturday and trying to sell a few things. It's really fun. It's like a multi-family garage sale. So we have some neighbors down there and some neighbors over here that have some stuff out. Super fun, right? And then I would have just gotten rid of this stuff anyways. So we'll see how I do. And now I need to get started. So this meat I got from WinCo. Love WinCo. And I love that sometimes they do have meat that you can get that's already pre-seasoned. And I really do like that. However, there is MSG in this, and if you tend to be more sensitive to that, definitely do it on your own. We don't do this all the time, but I do like for their Mexican flair, so to say, I like to see if I can find some of this, because sometimes I just think it's just easier. But I don't think our family per se has anything with MSG. I think my mother-in-law does, but this will make delicious taco meat. I need to get going. So all this is a little olive oil in the pan, just a tiny bit. Maybe about teaspoon, tablespoon at most. And then I'm just gonna add in the meat. Now, gotta excuse my back behind me, you can probably see some stuff. You know, Saturday is such a cleaning day for us. Don't wanna lose any of that meat, right? And this is gonna be super simple. All I'm doing is frying it up. So all I'm doing is to get ready is to have one of these bag salads. Now, remember I said that they're not always my favorite, but one of the things I do like about it is that it comes with the condiments already inside. My family is not condiment friendly. They don't like any dressing. So this is really just for me, for when I use it. And then any extras, I can just add it to other salads. So what I'm doing to this is I'm also going, it doesn't make a lot of salad, which is fine because my boys aren't going to really probably eat as much. I'll probably give them just a couple bites and they'll be like, I'm done, Mom, really. But I am going to add some things that I think will be more attractive to them. Like I'm going to add some tomatoes, and I'm going to add some cucumbers. If it wasn't a Spanish salad or a Tex-Mex salad, then I would probably add some apples or grapes or something like that, just to kind of get them to eat that. But come on, it's Mexican food. It doesn't need apples. So I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting up my cucumber and my tomato and add it right into my salad.
Yeah, stop it.
So I'm just chopping things up and adding it into there. It's already looking good. The meat's smelling delicious. And this is kind of just an easy way to make a Saturday meal. After our yard sale, we actually went out to lunch. So this is our dinner. We went to Farmer Boys. Has anybody ever gone there before? It was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. And then afterwards, I had to pick up a couple things, which is right behind me here. You can see it's a cookie mix, which I never do cookie mixes, but I'm teaching the little kids at church tomorrow, so I needed an object lesson about, following the rules, so to say, or the directions in life. And so with this bag of salad, it came with tortilla chips, and it came with some little, some cheese. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in. And all I'm gonna do is just keep the cooked meat on the side over here, because in case that wilts faster than we eat the meat, I don't have to pick out the meat from the salad. Gross, right? But two of our boys only went with us out to lunch, so they got to be a part of our lunch, but the other two just stayed here and played video games, which is probably what you can hear in the background. So those freezer pizzas obviously come in handy with days like that. So like I got this going. I need to get them put together and I'll show you what I got. Look how yummy that's turning out. So good. I think I'm gonna eat those big pieces. It's nearly done. So I'm just gonna put it in that little glass here. Oh, and I wanna show you what I'm making in my next video. Sunday roast. So I'll have that going for the next one after this, but yum, yum, easy, easy. So good. And here it is. It looks and smells so good. So it came with its own dressing, so I'm super happy about that. So now I don't have to go make some, but I can't wait. So this is just an easy, light meal for my dinner. Because we're heading out pretty soon. We're going out with some friends that I just want to get some of this in because it'd be very easy to just pick up some more onion rings, and I may or may have not already had some today. So at least I can have some more healthy. But I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel. I'm so glad that friends are liking my videos and commenting so nicely. I love all the positive feedback. And you know what? We're just helping each other. I'm learning from a lot of people. I learn from online, and I love trying different recipes too. And I've already gotten some recipes from some from let's say friends, because you guys really are my friends. And I can't wait to try them as well. So this is my Saturday. What's your Saturday? Tell me what your favorite go-to Saturday meal is, that when you're just hustling and bustling in and out of the house, what's the easiest thing that you can make for you or your family? I'd really like to know. And stick around, you know what I'm doing next, and you know what I'm rolling out next. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon.